Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix GPS signal lost issue on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on location. Now here in location, click on location services and then turn on Wi-Fi scanning. After turning on, go back and click on app permissions and here scroll down and open maps. Now here allow all the time, select allow all the time and after that go back to settings and open apps. Now here in apps open weather app and in weather app go to the storage. Now in storage clear the app data and cache memory of weather app.